Hey everybody, and welcome back to my 60-second DIY. Today I'm creating a really fun and thoughtful Mother's Day gift. I know you'll find it very easy and budget friendly. So what do you say? Let's get started. Okay, I'm starting out with all these supplies. I got these stickers from Target for $5, a huge packet, and I cut 2 heart-shaped pieces of fabric. You can use any fabric. And then I have this wooden plaque that I already stained with some Waverly wax antique paint. So in this packet of stickers, it had a bunch of words. So I'm using these to spell out Best Mom. Also in the packet, they had these decorative leaves. So I just trimmed them off a little bit and I'm putting it on the side. I am going to sand off the pieces that hang off. I already hot glued the 2 hearts together and stuffed it. And then I just trimmed it with some pinking shears. Now I'm on to the gauge wire. Oh gosh, I have 4 seconds. I just tied it up and made like a little hanger, and there you have it. I love this. It is so easy, and I already hung it on my mom's bedroom door. She loves it, and I hope that you're planning on some really fun and beautiful Mother's Day gifts. It's coming up soon. So I hope you enjoyed another edition of my 60-second DIY. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and even a comment. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you next time on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.